In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a TradeLocker account. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website, which is TradeLocker.com, and then you want to go ahead and click on Start Trading top right. Now, this will ask you what you want to connect with, either with your prop firm or with broker. Now, this is because, of course, if you want to actually start using TradeLocker and make an account over here or create one, you will essentially have to create an account with a broker or a prop firm and then basically sign into TradeLocker using that broker's or prop firm's credentials that they will give you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on brokers over here, but of course you're free to use prop firms as well. The process is gonna be similar. And then they're going to list you the best forex brokers to trade with. So over here you'll see all of those that are supported. Now you just have to pick one. Maybe you have an account with any of these, maybe you don't. Of course, if you don't, you can just click on whichever one you want. Of course, do some research before that, which one you like the most. And if you do have an account, you can just click on the one you have an account with and then sign in. But of course, for me, I'm gonna go with blue markets because I have an account over here. You can again choose whichever one. I'm just gonna show you with this one. It's gonna be the same. So just click on the one you want, and this will take you to their website over here. Now you have to then get started, create an account or log in to that platform. So for me, I have an account already. As I said, I can just log into blue markets over here. And as you can see, it's going to take you, there we go, inside your dashboard. So once you create your account or sign in, you're going to get into a dashboard, which is going to be, it's going to be looking similar to this. Of course, it's not going to be the same because these brokers are different and basically kind of differ from each other, have different features, functions, etc. But the dashboard should have some basic functions, which are the dashboard and then your accounts, which is actually everything you need to create yourself an account. So you want to go to my accounts or accounts, whatever it says, and then you have to create one. So you can either create a standard or live account, but to do this, you will usually have to deposit some money first onto this platform. So for me, I'm going to show you how to create a demo account, but the process is similar. You just have to basically deposit on some money if you want a live account. So for the demo one, click demo. You can select the currency, leverage, and then of course the balance you want. Click create an account, and then to your email, you will get the login credentials for your TradeLocker account. Now, sometimes if you don't get the email, you can see the credentials directly over here. I'm not sure which traders or which brokers over here will support which function, but one of these will apply for all of these. So either you can see your credentials here on the site, but if you can't find it, it can be the email. But if you can't find it there either, you can just Google where the credentials are. They will tell you on Google, there's different forum posts, etc., and it will tell you exactly where to look. Now, once you're done with this, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go to demo.tradelocker.com if you want to sign into the demo account, or to live.tradelocker.com if you want to sign into a live account. So let me sign out over here so I can show you what this looks like. There we go. This is going to be the page you're going to be seeing once you are trying to log in for the first time, and then of course every single time you try to log in. So this is going to be demo.tradelocker.com. You need an email, a password, and a server. And if you want to switch to live, if you have a live account, click on switch to live, or go to live.tradelocker.com. It's literally that simple. Once you do that, I have a demo account here, so let me switch back. There we go. Then you have to paste in your email. Of course, you should know it. It's going to be the same email you use to sign in to your broker over here. But then the password and the server aren't the same you use to sign into your broker. So it's not the same password. You will get a separate password once you create your account inside the broker. So for me, I have a password over here in my email. I'm going to paste it in. There we go. And then the server is going to be Blue Demo. For you, of course, depending on the broker, it's going to be different. Then click on Login. And as you can see, I'm now successfully logged in to my account. This one is my demo account, but of course for the live account, as I said, it's gonna be pretty much the same. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.